Good morning. Welcome to the November 21st edition of Advisory Live. We're powered by Nasdaq IR Insight, and I'm your host, Will Briganti. Joining me as my guest from Nasdaq Advisory Services is Alana Basova. Alana, great to have you back on the program.
Thanks for having me.
Thanks for being here. So today we're going to talk about MiFID II. So which companies are going to be most affected by this regulation starting next year?
We believe that small and mid-cap companies will experience the most profound impact, and there will be serious consequences if the right appropriate course of action is not taken in time.
Sure. Break down for our viewers what the landscape will look like then after January 3rd, post-MiFID II.
So the inevitable contraction of the sell side, which could actually be slashed almost in half within just a few years, will lead to diminished amount of corporate research, and that is trustworthy. And that will lead to lack of transparency, and obviously, liquidity will become a huge issue. And a lot of these smaller corporate companies will have a really hard time with getting their liquidity in place, getting their story told, accessing the capital, etc.
Okay.
So all of these developments will lead to potential threat of these companies becoming a publicly traded company.
Yes, of course.
And there could be this overall loss of appeal of being a publicly traded company at all.
Got it. So obviously this is a lot for investor relations professionals to digest, but what are some of the solutions that are out there for IR professionals to solve some of these challenges that you're seeing?
Right. So there is a clear threat in place, but we also see a tremendous opportunity for IROs to step up and take the right course of action, become a more prominent, member of the team in their company. So IR teams will increasingly be expected to act more as corporate access. And we already hear of brokers shutting down their divisions, the trading desks that were primarily devoted to the trading activity that was post non-deal roadshow.
Right.
So that serves as further evidence of the NDR activity moving in-house. Earnings consensus will no longer be required in a few years, placing an even higher degree of attention on companies' own guidance. And there will be this overall expectation for IR team to deliver a more concise, consistent, clear, and transparent message to the investment community, as well as management will expect IROs to become more strategic, more innovative in allocating their time, and as well as tapping into the fresh pools of capital out there.
Yeah, challenges, but definitely opportunities for IROs.
Correct.
Absolutely. Well, Alana, thank you so much for breaking that down for us. We appreciate it.
Thank you.
Terrific insight. There's more information available from Alana's team on Nasdaq's corporate website for investor relations professionals to learn more about how they can prepare for the MiFID II regulations coming early next year. Be sure to visit our page at business.nasdaq.com. I want to thank Alana Basova again for joining us as our guest today. A quick programming note. The U.S. markets are closed this Thursday for the Thanksgiving holiday, so we won't have Advisory Live on Thursday, but we look forward to seeing you back here next week when we're going to break down the state of the U.S. consumer after the Black Friday and Cyber Monday retail sales. So we'll break that down with Josh Ellman. Thank you so much, Alana. Great to have you back. And we wish you and your family a terrific and relaxing Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving. Thank you.